Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we're going to be tapping into the element water, especially the quality of fluidity, which we're going to incorporate in our asana, where we're going to move from one asana to the other, in our breath, where we're going to coordinate our breath with our movement, and in our mind by letting thoughts come, but not holding on to them and letting them just flow. So we'll begin by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping our back straight, chin parallel. Take a deep breath in and close your eyes. Listening for sounds from around you. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest, your abdomen. Bringing your awareness to your breath. Just noticing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. One more breath in. Completely breathe out. Gently drop your chin towards your chest. And start drawing circles in the air with the tip of your nose. You can continue to keep your eyes closed or keep a soft gaze. 3 clockwise and 3 anti-clockwise. Two and 1. Inhale, reach your hands up towards the ceiling. Exhale, turn and twist to your right. Inhale, right hand comes over your left ear. Stretch. Breath in, reach both your hands up. Exhale, fold forward. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, twist. Other side. Reach your left hand over your ear and stretch. Back up. Breathe in, reach up, breathe out, interlace your hands behind your back, look up towards the sky. Breath in, up, breathe out, come onto your knees and hips. Arch your back, chin just gaze forward, breathe out, pull the navel in and round. Once again, breath in, arch, breathe out and round. Knees come off. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Bend your left knee, straighten the right. I'm having sand all over my mat and my pant. Step between your palms, halfway lift. Breathe out, fold forward. Very slowly roll in. Inhale, up. Exhale, sthiti. Again, breath in, reach up. Breathe out, fold forward. Breathe in. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Press it to the earth. Inhale, up. One more round like this. And go again. Breath in, up. Breathe out. Pull forward. Breathe in. Halfway lift. Out. Press. Up. And steady. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. From here, breath in. Up. Exhale, hinge, fold forward. Breathe in, halfway lift. Breathe out, plank. Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Step your right leg between your palm, adjust your back leg. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, straighten, arms in line with your shoulders. Bend your knees, your gaze towards your right fingertips. Virabhadrasana 2. Inhale, up, straighten, fold forward, step back, plank, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now step your left leg between your palm. Inhale, Virabhadrasana. Exhale, straighten, bend. Bend your left knee, gaze towards your left fingertips. Oh, that's beautiful, the sun. Breathe out, fold forward, You see my mat all over the place. Plank. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Step between your palms. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Fold forward. Press into the earth. Inhale up. Exhale. Sthiti. Now we're going to build into this. Breath in. Reach up. Breathe out. Hinge. Fold forward. Grab hold of your big toe. Inhale. Bend your knees. Forward fold. Breathe in. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Step back. Come to your plank. Bring your right leg. Point it out. Leg off the mat. Slowly lower into the mat. Drop right leg over your left. Urdhva Mukha. Svanasana. Leg stepped out. Parvatasana. Inhale. Adjust your back leg. Virabhadrasana. Exhale. From here, you're going to take your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers. Gaze up. As you breathe out. Down. Humble warrior. Inhale. Up. Reach your hands up. Straighten. Bend. You gaze towards your right fingertips. Reach the fingertips up. Wrap your left hand behind your waist. Reach up. Straighten. Up. And down. Step back. Plank. Left leg off the mat. Drop it on your right ankle. Urdhva Mukha. Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Step the leg between your palms. Inhale. Adjust your back leg. Virabhadrasana. Take your hands behind your back. Chest opens up towards the sky. As you breathe out, humble warrior. Breathe in. Up. Reach your hands up. Straighten. Turn. Virabhadrasana to reach the left hand up towards the ceiling. Arch behind. Look up. Back again. Reach your hands up. Come to the floor. Plank. Urdhva Mukha. Upward dog. Adho Mukha. Downward dog. You bring step between your palms. Halfway lift. Breathe out. Fold forward. Press into the earth. Inhale. Arch. Exhale. Sthiti. Very slowly. Come down to sitting. Vajrasana. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Just letting your breath come back to a comfortable rhythm. Notice my breath is gotten choppy. A lot of sand on my hands. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now, gently inhale. Come up to kneeling. Reach your hands up towards the ceiling. As you breathe out, hands behind your back. Feet towards your heel, forehead towards the mat. Shashank Asana breathing. We're going to do 3 of this from here. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Down. Again, inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Last one. Coordinating your breath with your movement. Cross at your ankle. Straighten your legs out in front of you. Such a beautiful view. And straighten your legs. Breathe in. Reach up. Hands. Breathe in. Hands come up. Breathe out. Hinge. Fold forward. Paschimottanasana. Now as you breathe in, come up. Breathe out. Twist and look towards your right. Reach that left hand all the way to the outside of your right foot. Reach your right hand over. Inhale, come up. send that right hand behind you, grab hold of your left toe, twist. Bend the knee, place the soles of your feet to the inside of your left thigh. Breathe in, reach up. Breathe out, Janu Shashank. Inhale, up. Exhale, in between your folded knee and your straightened leg. Just pause here, take a deep breath in, completely breathe out, letting go of any tension, tightness. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, bring the soles of your feet to touch. Grab hold of your ankle. Start moving your knees up and down. Try and bring your heels as close to your groin as possible. Grab hold of your toes. Breathe in, sit tall. Try and press the thigh into the earth. As you breathe out, lean forward. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, forward. Once you know you can't go any further, breathe in, and this time completely exhale through your mouth, collapsing into the pose. One more breath in. Completely exhale. Release. Come up. Straighten both your legs in front of you. Breathe in. Up. Breathe out. Fold forward. Paschimottanasana. Inhale up. Turn and twist to the other side. Reach your right hand. Grab hold of your left foot. Take your left hand over and nicely breathe in, breathe out, Parivarta Paschimottanasana. Inhale, send that hand back, stretch and hold. Breathe in, breathe out, bend the knee, up, exhale, fold forward, Janu Shashank. Breath in, come up, breathe out, bend both your knees. Lean back, Naukasana. If you need to adjust yourself on the mat. Both pose. Breathe in, keep your gaze fixed. 2 and 1, drop it down. Hands come behind your back. Breath in, reach 3 of this. Breathe out, down. Stretch your hands forward. Reach, lean back, straighten both your legs up. Hold. Release, back up, squeeze and hold. Last one, straighten, reach your hands. Open your knees, open forward. Breathe in, completely breathe out. Back again. If you're here, inhale, up. Exhale, reach your hands forward. 2 and 1, drop it down. Lie down in Shavasana. Just noticing your breath, bringing your awareness to your body, noticing the rise and fall of your belly, your chest. Moving your awareness to your breath. The air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe out, completely exhale, letting your whole body sink into the mat. Inhale and exhale. Shifting your awareness to your breath. Notice the air entering your nostril, and as you breathe out, completely exhale, letting your whole body sink into the mat. And 3. Stay here for as long as you want to. I'm going to end this session by chanting one round of Om. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, Om. Thank you so much for being here. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this class was helpful, please like and share. Namaste.